There she is.
Hey!
Hi, what's up?
Hello. Nothing. You tell me what's happening.
Nothing. I was just telling people that I have renamed you as Priyamvada Can because you can. Whether it's
Of course.
whether it's a reality show, whether it is a fiction show, whether it is movies. But उससे पहले यार तुम सुंदर हो गई यार लॉकडाउन में और
है ना ऐसा सब कह रहे हैं. I don't know what it is, but it's actually worked out pretty well for me.
saying that if you were given a choice कि तुम्हें किसी के साथ क्वारंटाइन होना होता तो वो कौन होता?
Gulzar Saab. Because I've been reading his quotes recently, and I just think they make so much sense. Imagine chilling with him. Like the kind of knowledge he'd give you about life and about everything.
Gulzar Saab fainted with happiness in Bandra listening to this.
Oh यार करा दो यार.
गले से गालिब हम दोनों गुफ्तगू करेंगे.
गुफ्तगू करेंगे चलो. Only गुफ्तगू.
गू ज्यादा करा लगता है गुफ्तगू तो नहीं करी. अच्छा तो नहीं करी. अच्छा
हाँ.
इश ओहो ये यार ये बंगाली लड़की इतनी हॉट क्यों होती है?
यार सो जाता है. Like I try not to, like I try really hard not to. I want to be cute. I want to be, but पता नहीं क्या है. Poor.
Funniest rumor और gossip तुमने अपने बारे में जो सुनी?
I went on Splitsvilla to get married. It was a headline in Bombay Times.
But wasn't it like didn't you
What
go there?
rubbish? No.
Experience worst या best?
Kind of date. They've always turned out to be really. एक बार तो I faked. I hope that person's not watching. It'll be really embarrassing. But once I went and I met, and within 10 minutes I just made up an excuse. I said, "Oh, it's my friend's birthday," and I faked called someone and I said, "Oh no, it's my friend's birthday and I have to go and we are planning a surprise," and I completely forgot and I left. So I have actually done that. So that was my worst date.
I want to tell people what happened there. That was a very funny incident that तुम्हें actually में कुछ भीख मांगनी पड़ी थी अपने शो की शूटिंग के लिए and
oh god, so this is my first show and we were shooting in Flora Fountain in Bombay and it was my first show. मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं था कहाँ कैमरा लगता है क्या. तो there were hidden cameras and बीच सड़क पे I was told कि जाके भीख मांगनी है. तो मैं गई और मैं ठक ठक गाड़ी पे कर रही हूँ और मुझे पैसे दे रहे हैं और लोग मुझे दे रहे हैं एंड पीपल आर लाइक ये पागल हो गई होगी बेचारी, इतनी मेकअप में कौन भीख मांगता है, ऐसे बाल है, इतनी सुंदर लड़की कहीं से भाग गई होगी, शी मस्ट बी इन ट्रबल, somebody is giving me 100, somebody is giving me 200 and I was like wow, I've done such a great job. and जैसे ही कट हुआ the production person came and took the money and I felt so bad. I was like ये मेरी कमाई थी. How can you just take it?
One celebrity you would like to get naughty with? Could be Indian, it could be Hollywood.
I'm obsessed with Chris Hemsworth. Like I think I've gone out and said it like 100 times. I just think he's really hot. It's unfortunate he's married, so I feel bad like taking his name again and again. But I think he's just gorgeous. There is nobody as handsome as him. So him for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is fun. Fill in the blanks. Dialogues बोलूँगा. जिनको मैं आधा छोड़ूंगा उनको तुम्हें कंप्लीट करना है. If you were saying those dialogues. The first one.
Okay.
It's from जिस्म. कब से इस प्यासी जमीन पर पानी की एक बूंद तक नहीं बरसी?
नहीं यार बरस रही है, मतलब प्यासे लोग प्यासे बैठे हैं पर कुछ लोग बाढ़ में. Okay.
Would you rather do Big Boss or Splitsvilla?
Rather do. I've already done Splitsvilla.
So now Big Boss.
Which I have won. So now, yeah, I guess obviously because Splitsvilla तो कर लिया, Big Boss भी कर लेंगे. मतलब it was never a choice. I always wanted to be on one of these reality shows because मेरा बचपन का मतलब शौक था. तो by the way, this is sarcasm. Most people who have not got it, please, मेरा बचपन का सपना Splitsvilla जाना नहीं था. तो for all you know, everyone's gonna be like, oh, this is what you want to do in life. So.
Okay, date Ranveer or Ranveer if you could date anybody.
Ranveer, not Ranveer because dating Ranveer, you're preparing yourself for a heartbreak. So I've got enough of that in my life. So.
A show like Nagin, or would you rather do a show which is like the Eternal Saas Bahu show?
Actually, both. It's a tough one. I love Saas Bahu. I just love the comfort of being on a set and knowing you're going to wake up and go to set and it's just going to go on for years. तो वो जो satisfaction है वो बहुत अच्छी है. But Nagin, you get to do a lot of like cool stuff. But nowadays, even Daily Soap has all of this, you know, a lot of like drama and random things of मक्खियाँ और सांप और क्या नहीं.
I would like to say that मुझे बड़ा मजा आएगा अगर प्रियंवदा नागिन कर रही होगी, because A, she is hot, B, she is Bengali, C, she can dance. So all you fans start tagging her to do Nagin, and let's get her to do Nagin. Never have I ever spied on my ex.
Yeah, I have. Even though however much I'd like to say कि oh गया तो गया, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, once it's over, it's over. I don't care, rubbish. I still do.
Have you ever lied to a guy that you are in a relationship with someone else because you didn't like him?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm perpetually in a relationship. I'm always in a relationship for everyone. I'm always unavailable. And then if I like someone, I'm just like, I don't think that's working out, like my imaginary relationship. And I would.
Hot or not, guys in pink?
Hot.
Shy guys. Do you like guys who are shy around you and not able to tell that, you know, they have a thing for you?
Yeah. I think it's cute. Yeah.
3. Older men?
No.
तो क्या गुलजार साहब 16 साल के?
अरे but it's not hot, like it's not attractive or pleasing in any way. Like it's interesting and but it's not hot. Like
well, I would like to say thank you that you did this and मेरे आत्मनिर्भर शो में आने के लिए बहुत thank you, क्योंकि ना तो हैम्पर है ना स्पॉन्सर है, बस मजेदार बैंटर है.
बहुत मजा आया शार्दुल. I had a really good time. I was a little bummed the whole day, so I'm glad I spoke to you and I feel much better. And you have a super day. And thank you all you guys who tuned in. We had a great time. I hope you all also had a great time. Your questions were amazing. And yeah, keep logging in and watching his stuff, man. He's going to be interviewing a lot of people.